Hey guys, my name is Joseph and today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful red Lotus Evora. Let's begin. At first glance you might think Ferrari or Lamborghini, but no folks, this is a 2018 Lotus Evora. Let's take a closer look. The engine powering this beast from Britain lies in the back of the car. Let's take a closer look. And no, this is not a Ferrari engine, this is not a Lamborghini engine. This is a Toyota Camry engine. That's correct, a Toyota Camry with some minor modifications. So because it's a Toyota engine, parts can be found easily, and the best part is they're cheap. So this Lotus is actually equipped with two different size tires in the front and the back. The fronts are 19s and the rears are 20s. And this specific model is the Pilot Super Sport 4S's, which are super sticky and help the Lotus make quick maneuvers on the road. This is a cold startup of a 2018 Lotus Evora 400. Let's jump in and fire this beast up. I love the smell in here. So to start this thing, key in the ignition, crank it, foot on the brake, engine start button. For a little bit more excitement, we've got the open throttle button. Wow, that sounds incredible. Cannot believe they can get that out of a Camry engine. The model we've got today is an automatic transmission. However, you can use these paddle shifters to manually shift gears for more enthusiastic driving. Got the analog dashboard. These Recaro bucket seats really hug you, and these bolsters do not let you go anywhere. Got the Lotus embossed into the seats. All Alcantara chairs, Alcantara door panels, dash. I think they could have done a little bit better with the screen, but not bad. The steering wheel is nice and thin, and it's got all these areas that you can grip on. It's got the red line on the top. Okay, so let's go over some of these buttons on the console. Over here we've got the heated seat for the driver. Next to it we've got sport mode. Next to that we got race mode, emergency flashers, door unlock, exhaust open up, and we've got the heated seat for the passengers. And over here we've got our paddle shifters, turn signals, and lights for the cabin. Took me a minute to find it, but this is how you open the back trunk, or the hood in the back. There's a button on the door panel. You click it up here. This is your fuel can opener. As far as putting it into gear, we've got our park button, drive, neutral, and reverse. All buttons. There's no actual lever that you pull or anything like that. And that's the interior of a Lotus. I want to give a huge shout out to my friends at Glenview Luxury Imports. There's a link to their website in the description box below. Be sure to check them out. There's this car and many beautiful other cars for sale online. Give them a shout and check them out.